Now in this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Cloudflare directly into your Better Site Host application panel. If you're using Cloudflare, this is a really amazing way to help you manage your SSL settings and DNS settings directly from the Better Site Host dashboard. Now it's important to note that these settings are inside each individual application. So if you have multiple applications installed, you will actually have to configure Cloudflare for each and every application. Setting up the Cloudflare integration is the very first thing I do after I create a website application. So let's go ahead and do that. You'll notice on the sidebar, I have clicked the Cloudflare integration, and it's asking us for two different sets of information. This bearer token is going to be an API key that we generate on our Cloudflare account, and the zone ID is the zone that we have set up for our domain inside Cloudflare. Let's go ahead into my Cloudflare account and set that up now. So here I am inside my Cloudflare account, and we're going to go ahead and go into my account profile. And once you're in your account profile, you're going to go to the API tokens section. And once in here, we're going to click create token. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start off with edit zone DNS. We're going to say use template for this. Next, we're going to click on add more. And we're going to click zone and zone settings. And that is going to be edit. Then we're going to add one more, and we're going to go to zone, and we're going to choose SSL and certificates, and we're going to click read. Now under zone resources, we have a decision to make. You can either create a API key for every single domain that you have inside Cloudflare. And if you want that, you can click on specific zone and then select your domain. Or you can go ahead and click all zones, and this API key will be used for all of your websites and all domains hosted on Cloudflare. Then we click on continue to summary and create token. At that point, this is going to be the token that you're going to copy. And I would actually save this if you have something like 1Password or something of that nature. That'd be really great to save that there. Or you're going to have to come back to your Cloudflare account to get it every time you need to create a new website. Now inside the Cloudflare integration for Better Site Host, we're going to go ahead and paste that API key where the bearer token is. Next, let's get the zone ID. So you're going to go into your domain inside your Cloudflare account, and on the main dashboard, you're going to scroll down and you're going to get the zone ID that's in your sidebar. So we're going to go ahead and click to copy our zone ID. And then we simply paste that into the zone ID and click integrate now. Now, once you're done, you'll notice that we now have DNS records as well as SSL configuration here, and we can edit our Cloudflare DNS directly from the Better Site Host dashboard. We're going to move this DNS to our new server right now. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and click expand up here, and that will give us access to our IP address of our server. So I can go ahead and copy that. And now let's go into our DNS settings for my main website. We're going to click on edit, and I'm going to paste in my server's IP address. Then I'm also going to go into find the www, and we're going to edit that as well. Now let's go into our SSL and TLS settings, and you'll notice that you can actually configure all of your SSL things here. I'd make sure you have full strict enabled, as well as everything turned on so you're always using HTTPS. Now that we have our Cloudflare integration done on our website, we can actually go ahead and install our SSL certificate. So if you notice up at the top, it says SSL not installed in big red label. So let's go ahead and into our SSL certificate. We're going to click automatic installation. If you scroll down, it verified that the DNS for both joeworkman.net and www.joeworkman.net are properly pointing to the server because we set that up with Cloudflare. Then I'm just going to go ahead and click Install Automatic SSL. And we're done. I'm going to go ahead and also click Force HTTP to HTTPS to ensure that we always have HTTPS enabled, even though Cloudflare does that for us too. Now you can continue on with the rest of your website setup. I hope you're enjoying Better Site Host. Now go forth and make your websites great.